Welcome to this React and TypeScript course. My name is Maximilian Schwarzmuller. I'll be your instructor in this course, and together in this course, we're going to gradually, step-by-step explore how you can use TypeScript in conjunction with React to make your React app code more type-safe, since that's the core idea of TypeScript, as you will also see throughout this course. Now, for this course, you should already have basic React knowledge. This is not a course that will teach you React from the ground up. Instead, it helps if you took a course like my React the Complete Guide course before, or if you at least went through some free tutorials on YouTube or the official docs. You don't need any TypeScript knowledge, though it will of course help, but you don't need it because in this course, we'll start at the basics, I'll introduce you to TypeScript, and I'll then show you step by step how you can use it in your React code. And for that, we're actually going to build multiple React and TypeScript applications so that by the end of the course, you'll be able to use TypeScript in your own React apps. And therefore, let's not waste any time. Let's dive right in and let's explore why you might want to use TypeScript in your React apps before we then get started writing some code.